Astaneh Construction.
Hello and welcome to our latest renovation project.
Hi, come on in, let me give you a tour. Let's start right here with the foyer. If you'll notice the tiles here, 48 by 48 tiles, just absolutely beautifully updated. Now if you look over here, this powder room in the hall, the stonework. I love the color selection they've chosen. But over here, this is lovely. This is actually porcelain. Look at that. And over there is the fireplace, electric fireplace. And you can just imagine on a cozy night in, this is the ultimate perfect family home. Feast your eyes on this. An island in the middle. This is a foodie's dream come true. All the fittings are beautifully picked. The sink is a nice, very deep sink as well. I love this, a gas range. If you really like to cook, you want a gas range. And this is all designed by V&S. All the appliances are Miele. And let me show you into the master bedroom. This is a real treat. The bathroom has lovely stonework, very nice stonework. This shower, flush mounted to the ceiling, as well as one on this side shower head and one on this side shower head. Two people could comfortably use the shower at the same time.